Environmental stress is a growing concern for our planet, as climate change, pollution, and habitat destruction continue to threaten the health of our ecosystems and all the living organisms that inhabit them. As individuals, we can take practical steps to reduce our environmental impact and prevent environmental stress by adopting sustainable practices in our daily lives. In this video, we have compiled 25 tips that can help you live a more environmentally conscious lifestyle, from reducing waste and conserving energy to supporting conservation efforts and promoting eco-friendly products. By implementing these tips, we can all contribute to protecting the environment and preserving it for future generations. 1. Reduce, reuse, and recycle as much as possible. 2. Use energy-efficient light bulbs and appliances. 3. Save water by taking shorter showers and fixing leaks. 4. Use public transportation, bike, or walk to reduce your carbon footprint. 5. Buy locally sourced food and support local farmers. 6. Grow your own food and start a garden. 7. Use natural cleaning products instead of harsh chemicals. 8. Reduce food waste by planning meals and using leftovers. 9. Compost food scraps and yard waste. 10. Use renewable energy sources such as solar power. 11. Plant trees and participate in reforestation efforts. 12. Support conservation efforts and wildlife protection. 13. Avoid using pesticides and herbicides that harm the environment. 14. Use eco-friendly products made from sustainable materials. 15. Shop for products with minimal packaging or packaging that can be recycled. 16. Use a reusable water bottle and refill it instead of buying bottled water. 17. Purchase energy-efficient home appliances. 18. Invest in a programmable thermostat to save energy and reduce your carbon footprint. 19. Use cloth bags instead of plastic bags when shopping. 20. Reduce paper usage by switching to digital options. 21. Use non-toxic, natural insect repellents instead of harmful chemicals. 22. Participate in beach cleanups and litter removal efforts. 23. Use natural lighting and ventilation in your home whenever possible. 24. Support renewable energy policies and initiatives. 25. Spread awareness and encourage others to take action for the environment. In conclusion, the tips we've shared for preventing environmental stress are simple, yet effective ways to make a positive impact on our planet. By taking conscious steps to reduce our carbon footprint, conserve resources, and support sustainable practices, we can all play a part in protecting the environment and ensuring a healthy future for generations to come. Remember, small changes in our daily habits can make a significant difference in preserving the planet's natural resources and reducing environmental stress. Let's all strive to make a positive impact on the environment and encourage others to do the same.